Hey, it's Peter here with Franklin Madison Private Wealth, bringing you another order of operations quick monthly training. Now, the quarter is quickly coming to a close, and so it's crucial from a money management perspective to stay on top of your taxes, especially when it comes to making estimated tax payments. That's why today we're focusing on ensuring that you make your quarterly estimated tax payment by the upcoming due date to avoid a surprise tax bill next April. Now, as you'll likely recall, the due dates for these payments are typically the 15th of September, January, April, and June. So how do you know if you should make an estimated payment? Well, if you received Form 1040 ES from your tax preparer this past tax season, or you know that you've likely underpaid your taxes from the sale of restricted stock or exercising stock options, or from a Roth conversion this year, then that's likely your cue to ensure that you're making payments in a timely fashion. Now, when it comes to actually making the payment, you have a few options. You can either mail in the physical check to the address listed on your 1040 ES, and for many of you, that works just fine. But if you prefer something quicker and a little more secure, then consider making your federal and state tax payments using online tools. That's because this approach is fast, it's secure, and you'll have an immediate confirmation that the payment has been made. Not sure where to start? That's okay. Just visit the Essential Links page located on the Resources tab of our website for detailed instructions for all the links that you'll need to navigate this process smoothly. Remember, the deadline for these payments falls on the 15th in January, April, June, and September. So don't wait until the last minute and be sure to get this work across the finish line sooner rather than later. And if you need help along the way, please don't hesitate to reach out to me via secure comms, email, or by phone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next training.